It is episode, I believe 16 or 15. It's episode 16, and today I'm just going to be doing a quick little eyeliner graphic tutorial along with some lips. I have makeup on. Don't mind these fat ass on my chin. I don't know why they're there, but they're there. And then like I got some lashes on. I have my beauty glaze palettes because I'm only going to be using black tonight. I have makeup brushes, my setting spray. The setting spray is to spray onto the black eyeshadow so it gets more of like a water-based pigment. I have my tweezers and then some eyelash glue and also my mirror. So the two looks that I'm doing, as you guys see by the thumbnail, is a bat and a spider look. So I should probably get my concealer too. So I got my concealer and then this LA Colors matte liquid foundation because I really don't want to use my concealer because, as you guys can see, I am running out. And also my Cartier Spun setting powder to set my face if I do end up using the concealer. This look is pretty, it's really graphic and really, what's that word called? I don't know what the word's called, but it's something. So I'm going to take the Empress Use Beauty Glaze palette and spray it into the black shade. I'm going to take this brush right here. It's really, really thin. So first I'm just going to do the oval part. And I'm doing this part first because I do have hooded eyes and it is really difficult for me to do looks like this because I do have hooded eyes. And I'm gonna bring it into the middle of my lid called the bat wing. So basically you just make triangles kind of. And then curve them. Like that kind of. I'm gonna clean it up. And on the bottom, draw more triangles. Again, getting smaller. Like so. Back down and grab the Changeable Fantasy palette just in case I do need to use the black in here to darken it up. I mean, it's pretty black, but yeah. I already have the inner corner, but I'm going to try to darken it up a little bit. Here's what I've done. I'm going to clean it up at the end, but I'm going to do the other eye now, and then we can move on to the lips. I'm going to do the other eye off camera just so I can do it for TikTok because my battery's about to die, and yeah.
A few moments later.
Put concealer on, and I'm going to blend it out, or try to blend it out. I don't know what I'm going to blend it out with. I'm going to try to blend it out. They don't look the same, but it's fine. Now what we're going to do is move on to the lips, which is going to be the hard part. Because, as you guys see in my last video, I cannot draw bats for crap. And first I'm going to take a lip brush and take the black and do half of my lips. Half the lips are covered. It's the hard part, which is drawing the actual bats. I'll make them as pigmented as possible. So here's the bat look. I think this turned out really cute. I didn't think I was going to be able to do this good, but yeah, I'm going to wash all this off and then I will go into the next look. Okay, so now all of the bat style is done and now I'm going to be doing the spider. Again, just using the same flat skinny brush. So first, you're just going to do a regular wing eyeliner. Remember, you can use concealer to clean it up later. We're going to start drawing the webs. Basically, for all the webs you do is just draw a couple of lines. I'm going to be drawing 4 different lines. Okay, if it goes in your eyebrows. These are going to be the webs, by the way. So now what we do is we connect them. Draw little like U shapes. Okay, there's both eyes. Now we're going to draw a spider hanging from the wing. From like the inner corner of your eye, draw a line down, draw like a little circle, and then of course the little legs. Okay, well that one's fatter than that one, but it's fine. And then get any type of red and fill in the dot. This is going to make it look like it's a black widow spider. So this is the last part of the makeup look, which is the spider legs coming out of the mouth. So I'm going to take a brush that looks like this. I already put some black pigment on it. Line your lip. Create a shadow effect like this.
Don't look scary, I know, trust me.
Back in with the skinny brush and draw spider legs. My camera ended up dying and I had to do the outro on my phone again. What I did was I took some concealer and on my lips concealed it so that I looked more like a spider instead of my lips were on the spider, if that makes any sense. I think both makeup looks turned out really cute. I like the lips better on the other one instead of this one. If you guys enjoyed, please like, hit the subscribe button, also the best thing guys, and if you never to upload every single Sunday and Wednesday at 2:35 Mountain Standard Time. So make sure the bell is turned on because it is Lexoween. On my TikTok, my main is Queen Alexia _YTT, and my beauty TikTok is Queen Beauty _YT. And make sure you go follow that because I am doing 31 days of Halloween this year. But yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.